The Godrej Group, established in 1897, boasts a 128-year legacy of India's most trusted and diversified conglomerates. Renowned to its commitment for excellence, innovation, and sustainability, Godrej expands industries across real estate, agriculture, appliances, and many more. Godrej Properties, India's #1 real estate developer, operates in 17 plus cities with 175 plus projects, serving 85,000 happy families, bringing in world-class lifestyle into urban spaces.
Today, we are excited to launch the Aqua Retreat at Godrej Park World, a resort-style residential project within our landmark township at Hinjewadi Phase 1, just 5 minutes from Infosys Circle. Inspired by the way of water, the Aqua Retreat blends calm, clarity and flow into everyday living through serene greens, fluid architect and thoughtfully designed amenities.
So, why Pune? Pune is a thriving metro of 7.2 million residents and has been consistently ranked as India's most livable cities, an IT educational and industrial hub. It is also known as the Oxford of the East, and it is one of the major hotspots for living and long-term investment.
Why Hinjewadi Phase 1, one of Pune's most sought-after real estate destination, and Infosys Circle with 60-meter and 45-meter road access. Home to 250 plus IT firms and 3 lakh plus professionals. Excellent road connectivity via expressway, metro lines. Continuous infrastructure upgrades, driving liability and appreciation. Location highlights: 2 minutes to Tech Mahindra Metro Station in TCS, 5 minutes to Embassy Quadrant, 8 minutes to Infosys Capgemini Haxaware, 10 to 13 minutes to Grand High Street Mall and Wipro.
Now, let's talk about Godrej Park World, a complete world thoughtfully designed for every stage of life. Godrej Park World is a multi-acre township development at Hinjewadi Phase 1, where thoughtful planning meets modern living. From work to leisure, education and shopping, this is a destination designed to evolve with you, and we have something to offer for every age group. A township thoughtfully divided and seamlessly connected, 3 acres of plotted development and 4 high-rise sectors. A 12-acre of central green along with playground with rolling jacks, jogging tracks, zen gardens and barbecue corners. We've got 2.5 acres of non-vehicular retail high street, which consists of 53 premium stores along with amphitheatres, seating areas, seating plazas for community events and leisure time.
The Aqua Retreat, a resort-style life every day. Step into the world inspired by water, where wellness and leisure define your lifestyle. 5 plus water experiences including lagoon, jacuzzi, aqua gym, infinity edge pool and more. A 34,000 square feet of sunken clubhouse, Godrej largest in Pune West, with lounge, cafe, business center, library, gym, spa, salon, steam room, banquet hall, badminton court and squash court. Additional amenities: creche, guest suites, indoor kids zones, senior lounges. Open 3 acres of curated space with cabana, meditation deck, multi-purpose lawns and sunken sitting. The aqua-themed residents are smartly planned in configuration: 1 BHK 558 to 588 square feet, 2 BHK 861 to 888 square feet, 3 BHK 1081 to 1082 square feet. The Aqua Retreat isn't just a home, it's your personal escape, bold investment and
An address built to inspire.